Right now, I'm just going through everything that has to do with Shiba Inu. We're getting close to 4 zeros, 1, 2, and I really wish I had saved more. Do not misunderstand. My bag is very big. I bought a lot of Shiba Inu when the bear market was at its worst, but if you look at all of these different measures and what's happening in the charts, you should be very bullish on the stock. In fact, there is a story that says we're going to drop a zero if this trend keeps up. Welcome to the channel. My name is Laksaid. Please click the subscribe button below and the bell button again. It's free and will help us connect with you. It will let you know whenever there is new live video on the channel. To go over it again, this piece says that if this trend keeps up, price will go below zero. What it's really talking about is volume. Okay, sound level is important. It's very hard to change the price of a big object that doesn't have much going on. The good news is that Shiba Inu has always had very big optics. There is always a lot going on there, except for when the charts were pretty still, right? From the time we got down to this level, we were seeing about $100 million to $150 million worth of value every day. Again, though, we've risen to the point where we're regularly 300, 400 or $500 million days. Yesterday was almost a $500 million day, or at least over the last 24 hours. That brings me to this point. If this trend keeps going, you might start to feel some FOMO. Really start to work because the supply is now too low to be safe. People may say again, I hear this all the time, 589 trillion coins is so many that the supply can't be dangerously low. Really? Okay. Because the trend we've talked about over and over is coming true just right. Okay, guys, I always hit on and stress. Supplies are running out, and now we've reached this turning point. This point was pretty much this way on September 5th. There was a big drop in supply on the markets at that time, which is also when the chart started to turn around and move back up. What have we seen since then? Adding up, taking away supplies, adding up, taking away supplies. We could see the trend all the way back here, but now it's cutting off some of this back here. But this trend we saw during the all-time high rise was the same thing. A huge buildup and supply removal. The move that made us 10x in just 1 month is the same trend we're seeing now. But here's the crazy thing, the supply is by a large margin less than it was at the all-time high. I keep saying this because people keep missing it. The most Shib Inu ever was 148 trillion Shib, which could be bought and sold on markets. Okay, there is now 138 trillion. That time is almost 10 trillion Shib away. This is important because you know what? How are more people going to make the price go up? Since they're going to buy, there will be even less supply. This means that Shib Inu's next move could be even bigger, right? You may remember that I said that Shib could break an all-time high with the next move. Please note that this is not a promise or financial advice. However, if you look closely and understand how things are going right now, it looks like everything is going well for Shib. This third wave is about to start. Okay, this is the one I said would likely put us somewhere between 0 and 1. 3 zeros and 1, 6 to 3 zeros and 1, 9 is what I say. That makes a lot of sense. The market might cool down before then, or we might run into some trouble along the way. And now I want to really stress a few more points, guys. I want to hide all of my pictures. Okay. I got a lot of drawings. There are a lot of things we keep an eye on in the market, but I want you to pay attention to this one. This has been going on since September, okay? Right now on the daily, Shib is setting a very clear trend. We're about to, I should say since August, since that drop in August. So Shib has been setting this trend up and to the right for about 2 months now, making the highs a little higher. We're moving forward. All of our daily moving averages are higher than we are now. So where are we with the weekly? We're above all of our moving averages for the week. Where are we with our monthly? We're above all of our moving averages for the month. Right now, Shib is in such a strong state. People also missed all of these things that were going on while the market was still. That's why I said a lot of people get left behind. They don't have all the important things. Price is always the last thing that matters. Also, guess what? Some people will miss out on the next big wave of Shiba Inus, which, to be honest, looks like it could happen at any time. If BTC makes a push, whether it's towards 71k or, to be honest, if it breaks an all-time high, don't be surprised if the market goes through a big FOMO push. Don't be shocked if people from outside the space who have never been encrypted before enter the market. Okay, it does happen all the time. When prices are higher, more people buy something than when prices are lower. It will be most helpful for Shiba Inu in that area. I just thought I'd tell you guys about that. At the moment, I am very bullish. You may remember that I said Shiba Inu would likely be the best performing stock in the top 20. There were signs that it would be. I hope that people are starting to understand this, but thanks again for everything. Have a great day. Tell me what you think below. Do you think this next move will be the one that makes Shiba Inu lose a zero? Have a great day. See you in the next one.